Hello friends, in this video I will tell you a short story about the lion and the mouse. So let's get started. There once upon a time there were a lion was sleeping and a little mouse ran over him, that is, ran over the lion. So the lion got angry. He caught the mouse and roared, "I will kill you." The mouse cried, "Please let me go. I will help you someday." The lion took pity on her and let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion was get caught in a hunter's net. He tried hard but could not free himself. The mouse saw this and cut the ropes of the net with his sharp teeth. So the lion was free and they became friends. Remember, help others so that you will get help someday. The story are end. Thanks you for watching my video. See you in the next video.